There is a risk associated with everything that you do in life, whether it is the choice of the college that you study, whether it is the choice of the employer you decide to work for, or choosing your life partner. Everything that we do in life is associated with a certain amount of risk in anticipation of some returns. And that's exactly what happens with your investments. You have different asset classes with different return expectations and the associated risk with each of these investments. Go right now and click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. To help you understand in simple terms, what are some of the basic risks that will be associated with investing in these products? The first one is a variability in return. That means if you invest in an asset class and you expect to earn 8% returns from that particular product, but at the end of the year you realize that you earned only 6%, that is the risk associated with investing in that asset class, right? Which is variability in returns, not getting the returns that you expected when you decided to invest in that asset class. The second risk that you must be aware of is the loss of principal. Here, you don't even get back the principal amount that you invested in. So if you put aside a lakh of rupees in a fixed deposit and at the end of the year, for some reason the bank goes bankrupt and you do not receive the money back, then you've lost your principal amount. So neither did you earn the 8% you expected when you invested in the product, but you're not even getting back your principal amount for investing in the product. And another risk that is the most underrated one, but you must be aware of, is liquidity risk. That is, you not being able to sell the product when you need the money. So if you invest in a particular asset class and you're not able to liquidate it, convert into cash so that you can use the cash for the purpose for which you got into the investment in the first place, that is again a huge risk that you face when you invest in any of the asset classes. There are a number of other risks associated with investing. It can be inflation risk, market risk, default risk. We will talk about all of them when we talk about the various asset classes in detail in the subsequent sessions in our module. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. So what are you waiting for? Go right now on the link provided in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. This course is an online course which will teach you all the basics about your personal finances and answer the questions of where you must invest, how you must invest, and more importantly, why you must invest in a particular investment product. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for freshly brewed content from Wealth Café. And don't forget to save hard and invest smart.